Hi everyone, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to know MMR in Dota 2, so you can quickly check your matchmaking rating and track your ranked progress. Step 1. Knowing and seeing your MMR in Dota 2 is very simple. All you have to do is hover over your mini profile and left-click it once, or just click on your name. Step 2. This will open your profile page. From there, click on the Vital Stats tab to reveal more detailed information about your rank performance. Step 3. At the top right section of the Vital Stats page, you'll see your MMR displayed clearly. This includes your solo and party MMR, if applicable. Step 4. You can check this anytime you want, whether you're in a game lobby or on the main menu. It's a great way to keep track of your ranking over time. Step 5. Just remember, MMR only shows if you've played ranked matches. If you haven't, it may show as uncalibrated until you complete the required games. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful Dota 2 guides and quick tips.